gonna take a chuck when I bark, toot my sheriff. I'm a toot my sheriff. I'm a merry man. Yeah, want my Billy. Woo! Yeah.
Who was there?
Mommy,
Yes?
you play with me?
Yes. Can I be Buzz?
Mrs. Potato Head.
I don't want to be Mrs. Potato Head.
Jessie?
No.
Who?
I want to be Buzz Lightyear.
I know Buzz Lightyear.
But I want to be
Play
Buzz.
with him because boys just play with boy toys.
Oh, really?
Like you can play with the girls, but not the boys because I think he's a boy.
Oh, really? That doesn't sound fair.
I'll be on the field with the boys.
You'll be on the field with the boys? And where am I supposed to be?
In the girls' field.
In the girls' field. Okay.
We can play together.
But we cannot mix each other.
Yeah.
Okay. I love you.
I love you. Bye.
Bye.
Now can you play with me?
Yeah, hold on.